In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can create a viral, high quality YouTube thumbnail for your videos using AI, step by step and easy. So let's get started. So first, you guys need to create a Gemini account, Google Gemini account. You can go to Google and search for Google Gemini. Just sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Google Gemini. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click here. This will be your home page. You will click on this icon over here and click on create image. Okay, use this option, create image. Okay, and what you will do is you just need to describe your image, describe your YouTube thumbnail. So let's ask, for example, create a YouTube, okay, a YouTube viral, okay, thumbnail for this YouTube video. Okay, and here you will put your video title. As an example, you are making a video about how to make money online, as an example, in 2026. Okay, like this. So just put here the title. So guys, the more details, the more info you give to AI, to Google Gemini AI, the better results you will get. Okay, we will click here and here you go. So Google Gemini started creating your YouTube thumbnail, guys. As you guys can see, it started creating our thumbnail. So once it's done, I'll show you guys the result. And here you go, guys. You guys can see that's really amazing. Viral, high quality thumbnails done fast by AI. You guys can see, if we click here on this thumbnail, you will get, guys, a YouTube video thumbnail like this just by using AI. You see this one? It's very high quality. Okay, if you want to download this YouTube thumbnail to your laptop, you will click here on download. Okay, just click on download. This thumbnail will be downloaded into your laptop and you can go and use it for your YouTube videos. And you can create any type of YouTube thumbnails just by using AI. Okay, and Google Gemini can create high quality viral YouTube thumbnails for you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That's exactly how you can create a YouTube thumbnail using AI, and see you in the next one.